Drawing a view of your bedroom is a great way to add an interesting observational work to your art portfolio that also says a lot about who you are. Observational art portfolio pieces, which are drawings, paintings, mixed media works, or sculptures created from looking at real-life places or subjects, are considered to be by most schools the most important work to have in your art portfolio. This is because including observational pieces demonstrates a level of mastery of fundamental art skills. Also, keep in mind that you'll be working from observation in college, and if you draw only from photographs up until that point, it will be a very difficult transition for you. Your observational work should illustrate the three-dimensional qualities of your bedroom, including textures, patterns, materials, reflections, highlights, and shadows, and accurate perspective, meaning the appearance of objects are the correct relative distance and position to one another. You can visually explore all the elements of the space you've chosen by drawing a few versions first in your sketchbook. Once you've chosen the best composition from your sketches, then you can choose the materials you'll use and the color scheme for your final art portfolio piece. And you can choose to introduce imaginary elements into the composition if you'd like to. We can't encourage you enough to create original work from direct observation for your art portfolio. We understand that photographs are more convenient, but drawing from life will set you apart from the other students applying in a really good way. Most students choose to work from photographs, and every admissions counselor can tell the difference. This is why drawing your bedroom is a great place to start. It's a space you enjoy and are familiar with, and it's an authentic reflection of who you are, which admissions counselors always like to see in a potential student's art portfolio. If you struggle drawing or developing your ideas and want to build your drawing and perspective skills, Ashcan's portfolio prep classes are a great place to start. We have online classes now, so no matter where you are, you can develop your skills and ideas with the guidance of Ashcan's outstanding portfolio prep instructors. Ashcan Art offers art portfolio preparation classes year-round. Contact us at infomanhattan@ashcanart.com and see the classes we offer at www.ashcanart.com. You can see us on Instagram at ashcanart, and please subscribe below for more art portfolio tips.